morning to all of you. On behalf of the management of Narayana E-Techno School, Madanandapuram, I welcome all the inspection committee members for the virtual inspection, upgradation to class 11th and 12th. So this is the entrance of the gate. From here, we will kickstart the session. So at the entrance of the gate, we have the security room. Next comes the parking area. Here the vehicles will be parked. Next we can see the boundary wall. So this is a 6 feet boundary wall. This is continuous in order to ensure that the safety of the students is maintained. So the wall is fully continuous. Next comes the play area. Here the students of the grades, based on the grades, they will be in a position to play over here. So these are some angles. Next we will be having a cricket coaching area. Here the students will be in a position to play the cricket and practice well, and all the necessary things are also maintained. The wall is continuous. So here we will be having the volleyball court area. So here comes the basketball court area. Now we are at the entrance of the school campus. I welcome all the respected inspection committee members. Mr. Atanurag, Principal, Delhi Public School. Next we will be welcoming our inspection committee member, Mr. Nandakumar Karke, Principal, Government Senior Secondary School. Okay. So here in this particular notice board area, the particular area, we will be tuning out some of the important skills on based on the thing. So here we will be developing the fine motor skills, gross motor skills, theme of the month, self-care skills, and spin a tape. In this particular thing, all the cognitive ability and physical ability of the students are enhanced, and we also promote the Fit India campaign. And here we will be going into the Mann Ki Baat program. This program also plays a vital role, and all our students are participating actively in this program. Now let's go to the accountant room. So in the case of the accountant room, these are some of the important parameters. Here we are supporting or we are powering to empower. We are going for the digital mode of payment and we support the Digital India initiative. Apart from that, here we will be having the mode of collections to the debit and credit cards, and check is also available. No cash transaction is allowed inside the campus. Next we will be going to the biometric. The entry and exit of all the employees who are academics and non-academics plays a vital role here. Now we are moving into the class 1 area. Here, if you see, all the benches are spatially ordered and all the books, everything that comes into play. We have a different green board, everything, and all we are having the notes tree also, so that the digitally the concepts will be explained. Now we are in the class 4th standard section. Here also we will be having all the things that are maintained. Now this is the 68 classroom. Okay, sir. Now we are at the entrance of the chemistry lab. Chemistry lab contains all the reagents, test tubes, necessary ingredients. Now we are at the entrance of the biology lab. Here all the specimens, microscope, everything will be available. Now we are at the entrance of the computer lab. Computer lab contains all the systems, everything, all are provided with high-speed internet connectivity. Now we are at the entrance of the physics lab. We have also solved the So sports plays a vital role, and here also we will be going into the indoor sports arena. What are the things that are comes into play, and we also support the Fit India movement, and our students are actively participating in the same. Now we are at the entrance of the project room. Here all the types of projects from our all the sections they will be doing and exhibiting their talents over here. So as the name suggests, the Max Lab include all the equipment and everything with reference to the measurements and those things, and all are equipped over here. Now we are at the entrance of the library. So as the name suggests, without libraries we have no past future, and here we have all the books and all those books. So these are some of the vacant rooms that are present in our campus. This is the room. So many. Now the aerial view of the campus will be shown. Now we will be looking into the boys' restroom. Here I have the wash basins. Now we are at the entrance of the girls' restroom. Here we will be having the wash basins. Here we will be having the water facility or drinking water facility for our students. So in this particular aspect of the video, all the parameters are covered as proposed by the Vice Inspection Committee, starting from the gate, and we have a continuous wall on all the lab facilities, classroom facilities, drinking water facilities, and the PT room. Everything are almost done here, and all the safety things also done here. On behalf of the management, I thank all the inspection committee members for viewing this video. Thank you all.